Are you struggling with a subject in high school, or are you looking for opportunities for revision or instances where you're required to get ahead in syllabus? Do you have a student who was absent from school due to sickness, distress, or was immature, or any other situation requiring reteaching? Well, look no further than the Abz Edu, an e-learning platform that is here for you. In this platform, you will find whole topics from Form 1 to Form 4 in video, audio, and text. This content is recorded and can be viewed repeatedly until properly understood. This is a program with the objective to complement learner experience by bridging learning gaps and challenges. This digital platform is designed to deliver educational content and an enriching learning experience targeting secondary school students. It is a subscription service from Rodachem Education Limited. One can register as an individual or in groups. Usikue idle this holiday. Visit our website at www.abzedu.com for more information. For inquiries, contact 0727 080 638 or 0711 762 521. ABZ, the gateway to your child's future.